Hi, this is Bhaskar Jayavelu. Welcome back to Madras Tech 360. Today we are going to see the end of the day chart analysis of Nifty and Bank Nifty on 11th of October 2021. First, let us look on the Nifty chart and mark the important supports and resistance. Let's mark the previous day high. This is previous day high PDH and this is previous day low PDL. There is a Virgin CPR on 8th of October. Let's mark this Virgin CPR. Also, there is a Virgin CPR on 7th also. Let's mark even this. I think this CPR won't be necessary today. Fine. We have marked the previous day high, low, Virgin CPR. And as the market is near the all-time high, let's look for the swing high at this point. Usually I mark swing high in 30 minutes time frame. And this is swing high. Okay, we have marked the all important supports and resistance. Let me play the candles. Okay, the market opened with a big green candle, and this green candle broken the CPR and closed above the CPR. And today CPR is very narrow because all the three lines, that is central pivot, top CPR, bottom CPR, everything are in a single line. So it is a very narrow CPR, and because of this CPR, whenever there is a narrow CPR, we can expect a trending day. Okay, the first green candle broke the CPR and closed above the CPR. We can go long here, but the problem is the stop loss. We cannot place a stop loss anywhere below the candle because the candle size is too big. We can place a stop loss below the CPR, but placing the stop loss below the CPR is very small, so there is a chance of stop loss being hit. Look at this fourth candle, it has come down below the CPR and hit the stop loss, so I will not prefer to go long on this trade. So there is no trade at the first candle. Looking for the next entry, I could see entry is here at this green pin bar. This green pin bar broke both previous day high as well as swing high, so we can go long here, keeping the stop loss below the bottom of the candle and target as 2R or the next pivot or resistance. Let me mark that. Entry would be at the close of this green candle, and stop loss below the candle. and target here 2R at the next pivot. Here one may ask that before the breakout there is a parabolic movement, then why we should take this trade? The answer is, look at the CPR. As I said, narrow CPR, so there is a chance of trending day. So we can take this entry and book the target at 2R. So looking for the next opportunity, I could see the opportunity at this point, red candle, because look here, market went up, had a pullback, and again went up to the same point and tries to come down. So we can go short here and keeping the stop loss above this pivot or resistance and target as 2 or the next support. Let me mark that for you. This is the entry here. This is called double top. When market goes touch the same point again, and stop loss here. Stop loss, and you can book your target here. So in Nifty, we made two trade, and two trade gave us a profit of 2R each. So total we made 4R profit in Nifty alone. Coming to Bank Nifty, let's mark the important supports and resistance. As usual, we'll mark first previous day high and previous day low. This is previous day high and this is previous day low. And looking for a Virgin CPR, there's a Virgin CPR on 4th of October. I think even this Virgin CPR, it is not necessary today. Okay, and we'll look for the supply and demand zone. I could see a supply zone here where market went twice at this point and got crashed or reversed from this point. So this is a supply zone, strong supply zone. Since it is at the previous day high, there is no necessary to mark the supply zone. Now let me play the candles. Even in Bank Nifty, market opened with a big green candle. Here, this green candle opened below the CPR and closed above the CPR. We can go long here at the close of this green candle by placing the stop loss below the top CPR. But look at the target 2R. it is very small. There is no room to move. The distance between the close of this green candle and the resistance, it is very small. And look at this stop loss. Stop loss is this big, and your profit will be this much. So there is no proper risk reward here. As we always follow 1:2 risk reward, so there is no proper 1:2 risk reward here. So I will not enter this trade. Then looking for the next opportunity, I could see an opportunity at this green candle. This green candle has broken this supply zone, so we can go for a long entry at this point. Entry will be here, and stop loss you can place it below the candle, at the low of the candle, and book your profit at the next pivot or 2 hour. This target took some time to reach. Entry was at 9:50, but target reached was at 1 o'clock. So the most important thing which we required in trading is this. Patience, because we cannot always expect a target to reach in 1 or 2 candles. So we have to wait for long hours sometimes to reach our target. So please always be patient once you take the entry. And that's all. In Bank Nifty we had one trade, and which gave us a profit of 2R. In Nifty total we had 2 trade profit, that is 4R. In Bank Nifty we had one trade profit, which is 2R. Total we made a profit of 6R today. That's all for today. Meet you tomorrow, guys. Bye.